Microtasking platforms like Appen and Remotasks offer an intriguing way to make money from home, allowing people to earn by completing small, manageable tasks. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or simply want to dip your toes into the world of remote work, these platforms provide flexibility and accessibility to almost anyone with an internet connection. Today, we're diving deep into how you can earn money through microtasking on Appen or Remotasks and what to expect from each. Let's start by talking about what microtasking is. Microtasking involves breaking down larger projects into smaller tasks that can be completed quickly, usually in a few minutes to an hour. These tasks can vary significantly depending on the platform, but they often include things like categorizing images, transcribing audio, labeling data, or reviewing content. Microtasking has gained popularity as more companies outsource these small but necessary tasks to remote workers, providing opportunities for anyone willing to work on them. Appen overview. Appen is a global company that offers jobs related to artificial intelligence, AI, data annotation, and machine learning. The tasks on Appen are highly focused on improving AI algorithms, which means they need human input to train systems like speech recognition software, search engines, or social media platforms. When you work on Appen, you might be tasked with evaluating search engine results, labeling images, or analyzing audio files. Earnings on Appen depend on the type of task you complete. For simpler tasks like web evaluation, you might earn around $3 to $10 an hour, depending on your country and the project. However, more complex projects, such as linguistic annotation or transcription, can pay significantly higher rates. It's essential to stay consistent and check for new tasks regularly, as the availability of tasks can vary widely. One of the advantages of Appen is its flexible work schedule. Since most tasks don't require a set time to complete them, you can work around your existing commitments. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or have a full-time job, Appen offers the flexibility to make extra income during your free time. Remotasks. Overview. Remotasks, on the other hand, is a platform where users can earn by completing a variety of tasks, mostly related to data annotation and AI training. Like Appen, Remotasks connects with companies looking to improve their AI models. And the tasks you'll perform range from image tagging to 3D annotation, or even autonomous vehicle training. Signing up for Remotasks is easy. Once you've registered, you'll need to go through training courses available on the platform to unlock certain types of tasks. These training sessions are designed to teach you the specific requirements and guidelines for each task type, which helps ensure accuracy and consistency. Once you pass the required training, you can start accepting tasks and earning money. Comparing Appen and Remotasks. Now that we've outlined both platforms, it's essential to understand the differences between them. Appen tends to offer tasks that are more focused on linguistic and AI training, and often pays slightly higher rates for specialized projects. However, tasks on Appen may not always be available, and there can be more of a waiting period between project assignments. Remotasks, on the other hand, offers a wider variety of tasks, many of which are available consistently once you've passed the necessary training. The platform might be better suited for someone looking for more immediate and continuous work. However, the pay rates can be lower for basic tasks compared to Appen. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to help you succeed on either platform. 1. Stay consistent. Microtasking requires dedication. The more time you spend on tasks, the more familiar you'll become with them, improving both your speed and earnings. 2. Accuracy is key. Whether you're labeling images or reviewing audio, platforms like Appen and Remotasks value accuracy. Failing to complete tasks correctly can hurt your earnings or lead to account suspension. 3. Complete training. On platforms like Remotasks, taking time to complete all the available training courses will increase your access to high-paying tasks. Make sure to read all guidelines carefully. 4. Manage your time. Since microtasking allows for flexibility, make a schedule that works for you. Set aside specific hours each day or week for tasks to maintain a consistent income stream. Whether you choose Appen or Remotasks, both platforms offer valuable opportunities to make extra money on your own terms. The key is to stay consistent, focus on accuracy, and keep looking for higher-paying tasks. So, are you ready to start earning with microtasking? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on remote work and earning opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.